we had ordered these air fryer paper liners plates. I will try to demonstrate how to cook bitter gourd, potato, tomato, onion, garlic in this air fryer. Two onions, one tomato. I will add two small spoons of turmeric, 1.5 red pepper, 2 small teaspoons of salt, mixed spices and coriander. After peeling off bitter gourd from center, I have added these spices and condiments. It has been mentioned that you have to place enough food on this plate before putting it in the air fryer. That's why I will add one potato as an additional. Since the base has been protected, it will not require any kind of additional cleaning after the process will be completed. I don't think more oil is needed, but I have poured 10 drops. So I'm switching the air fryer on. I am reducing the temperature to 120 degree because I will not take any chance, because these paper plates are bought recently. "16 minutes are remaining, but I will increase the temperature because I have already checked the paper plates. Paper plates are not being damaged, means we can increase the temperature to 160. So even then I will not cook it unattended for the first time. I will pause for a few seconds or minutes. After a gap of 2 minutes, I am about to switch it on again. Alexa, pause. I think I should mix the whole recipe again properly, since it was the first time. I don't think the air fryer will manage to cook the food evenly. Even then, I will try my best. You should cut the bitter gourd also. I don't think I will manage to cook this kind of recipe properly. Either I have to increase the temperature again. To at least 180 degrees Celsius, which is the maximum setting. There is no harm in following the same process also, as it will cook a different kind of recipe. According to me, the main issue was lesser tomato. I am adding more. I want to correct myself. The maximum temperature setting is 200 Celsius, but I will increase the time to 4 or 6 minutes. That should be enough. So this is the last time. I will remove the material after the duration at 200 degrees Celsius. Now only 54 seconds have been remaining. In the meantime, I am cooking chapati also. This air fryer is saving a lot of time and crucial energy, along with the fact that lesser unsaturated fats in the form of refined oil is being utilized. And most importantly, you don't have to wash so much utensils, especially after using these air fryer fire resistant plates. After the beep, the process of cooking bitter-gourd potato has been completed. In the meantime, chapati has already been cooked, and I will heat the pulses also. This air fryer saves a lot of time and energy. I'm about to taste it. If we will transfer it in any utensil, it will require at the most 2 minutes of heat. I will add some water and prepare that dish in that utensil for 1 minute. Thanks a lot for watching my broadcast. I agree that sometimes dual process of cooking are definitely required, but even then we can save a lot of time. Moreover, any kind of detergent is not required at all. And these kind of utensils don't require much energy to clean. Moreover, you can rinse the recipe afterwards also, because water should not be used in these kind of devices. The recipe is really very tasty, but you can increase the temperature from the beginning, as I was testing the plates from